What is good, my people? I hope you guys are doing well. So I got another video for you today. It ain't going to be a bunch of running around. You don't need file links. You don't need your downloader. You don't need nothing. You can put this on any device. As long as you got some type of app store to get it from, it's on there. So while you're nestled away all in quarantine, here's another thing you can put on your device so you can get free stuff. Cue the music.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
All right, what is good, my people? I hope you all are staying safe out there and helping one another. So I'm going to show you something that might help you out in these times when you're kind of confined to home. It's a free app. You can get it anywhere. You can get it off of your Google Play Store. You can get it off of whatever device you're using and you get your apps from. Just go there. There's no need to use downloader. There's no need to go to any website. There's no need to use any file links, nothing like that, right? So we're going to do it really easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to come up here to your looking glass, right? And you're just going to put in Pluto. It's going to pop up right there, Pluto TV. It tells you right there, it is free. We're going to click on it. You'll see it right there. It's usually the first one that comes up. It's very, very, very popular. I've checked it out way back in the day, and it really wasn't that great. It was just like spaghetti westerns and, just like off-the-wall kind of B-movies kind of things. They've really done it up really good. Now you actually have some channels that are designated specifically for certain networks. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and we're going to download it. Okay, so once we got it downloaded, easy peasy, right? We're just going to open it, and it's going to start us right up. Now, we're going to walk you through it, but you got to stay tuned till the end because I'm going to show you something else that's going to make it super, super easy for you to access this on your Fire Stick. Basically on your Fire Stick. Other devices, like if you have another type of Android box, I really couldn't tell you because I only really mess with Nvidia Shield and Android, or I'm sorry, Amazon products, or if it's like on a Windows, something or other. So because of my mirroring program, you're not going to see the video. You might hear it, but you're not going to see it. But that's okay because you're going to download it and you're going to watch it all for free anyways, and you're going to see exactly what I'm talking about. But we are going to go through it and see exactly what's going on. So this is basically what you're going to start up with, right? So over here on the left side, you're going to have your live TV, free movies and TV shows, and activate. You can activate it to unlock certain features. So, like for instance, this is right here is what we're looking at is the not activated, anything like that. If you notice, I only see what's in front of me for an hour. If you activate it, it's free. You just got to go through the sign-up process or whatever. But then you'll be able to skip ahead and see what's coming up, so you can go more down the TV guideline to see what's coming on. So that's an advantage to doing the activate. It also allows you to use your phone as a remote control. So that always helps out too, right? But these are the channels that you get. Now, the free movies and TV shows, those are the exact same movies and TV shows that you're going to find on these channels, right? But, like it has a 24/7 James Bond channel. So whatever James Bond movies are playing at the time might not be what you want to watch, but you can go into that category and pick whichever one you want and watch it like a video on demand kind of thing, right? So check it out. So some of these channels they're like 24/7 channels. So you have your cops. You even have like laugh out loud type stuff, which will bring you like a lot of Comedy Central stuff. But I'll just kind of go through here and we'll just kind of go through it. And they categorize. So you have like Pluto TV is right here. So you have your channel lineup. It's going to give you like all the ads and the promos of what's coming on. The Unlocked on channel 2 is actually pretty funny. That guy is actually kind of funny, so go ahead and give it a listen, and he explains exactly how to activate it and the website you got to go to and all that other good stuff, right? So it has a movies category. So you have your 007, which is 24/7 James Bond movies. And then you have movies that are done by like categories. So it's just different. Like look at like the Love Guru. That's not a new movie, but it's pretty decent. Bangkok Assassins, Kingpin. Everybody loves that. So it's got a comedy, an action, a romance, a drama, horror, terror, thrillers, black cinema, documentary, indie films, and then just random movie channels, westerns, and stuff like that. So it's got a lot of different like variety and stuff like that. And then you come down here to entertainment. Now you have MTV, who also has some dedicated programming on here. So like MTV Dating, MTV Teen, they have the MTV Pluto, obviously. So I mean, you get MTV themed and entertainment. Obviously, you get entertainment live. Now, these are not going to be your normal network free TV channels. These are kind of more like off, kind of like a side project to maybe like BET Her. It's like maybe those aren't what's on BET at the moment, but they're BET like based programming or whatever the case may be. Same thing with Spike TV and stuff like that. Look at American Gladiators has its own channel. Baywatch has its own channel if you're into that. Animals, they also have like a 24/7 dog channel where it's nothing but dog programming. So it's got a lot of, like entertainment type stuff from all around the world, really. Cartoons. Now, your news is not going to be like your Fox News or your CNN or anything like that, but these are kind of like independent news channels, and sometimes they put out more of the believable type stories because they're not picking one party or the other. They're just delivering the news to you. So those are some things that I actually kind of watch. But they also do have like NBC News and CBSN and stuff like that. So CNN also has a channel, but it's not like the live CNN channel, but it's basically going to give you whatever the most up-to-date shit is going on inside CNN. So, that's always good something. Today Show, Weather Channel, Bloomberg, if you're into stocks and stuff like that, right? Now, binge watching, these are the different things. Now, MTV has like a Guy Code channel, the Hills channel, so if you're into that Love and Hip Hop channel, Black Ink Crew channel, I know that's kind of a newer, still with new episodes show. RuPaul's Drag Race, you got Unsolved Mysteries, Forensic Files, New Day. So if you're into like those detective shows and stuff like that, man, you got it covered right here. Fear Factor. Like I said, you got Hell's Kitchen channel if you're into watching that stuff. The Doctor Who channel. They also have, I believe, Wild 'N Out has its own channel. Comedy Central has its own Pluto channel. So like I said, these are not the typical, what you would see on your cable box type programming for like Comedy Central, but it's Comedy Central based programming. So it kind of, Wild 'N Out has its own channel. Tosh.0 has its own channel. So if you love Tosh, you got 24/7 of them right there. Cranky Anchors, you got Funny AF, so it's like you got a stand-up channel. So if you just want to watch stand-up comedies all day, there you go. Cats Dog Channel, Pet Channel. Let's see what else. You got Sports. So like I said, once again, these are not the actual cable channels, but they are based off of these networks. So Fox Sports, you got the NFL channel, Golf Channel, Soccer. Look at even surfing. You got like X Games type stuff, boxing, MMA. They're all like, previously recorded fights. So if you're into watching old fights over and over again, boom, you got that right there. Different things, different hobbies. Like history is not the History Channel, but is a channel that has stuff about history. Biography is the same. If you're into cars, you got military, conspiracy stuff, traveling. What else we got? The THC channel, if you're into that kind of thing, right? This is specifically for cannabis topics. So they have a lot of like, interviews and news and up-to-date stuff. So if you're into that type of stuff, you have a whole channel designated for that, right? Even has like Wonders of the World in 4K. So if you have a nice 4K box, nice 4K TV, you're going to get some nice imagery. Maybe clean the house, put some music on, throw that on there. So it's just some nice, imagery in the background. You're good to go. Life and style, you got your food, your living. Like MTV Cribs has its own channel. It has a channel for her, obviously. Lots of different things if you're into like watching the wedding stuff. It also has a lot of techie stuff, right? Excuse me. A lot of things for people like me and you. Gamer stuff, anime stuff. What else we got? The IGN network, NASA, more and more stuff. Now for kids, you do have, like I said, once again, not what's on your normal programming, but these are network-based shows. So like Nick Pluto, you're going to get iCarly, True Jackson VP, all that good stuff. I don't think there's any Disney. It's just basically Nickelodeon. You have a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle channel. You have a Dora TV channel. You have basically a channel geared towards everything. Pluto's come a long way, let me tell you. They also have the Latino section. So if you want some of these things all in Spanish, boom, there you go. You are set to go. But I also want to show you is what they have is on the music channels. So these are just like kind of like Sirius Radio or something like that. No imagery, just audio, but has all different kinds of genres, jazz, all types of stuff. I believe it even might have like public radio on here, 70s, 80s, city music, pop music, MTV Block Party, Spankin' New, Yo MTV Raps or something. But it's got music on it. This is an awesome thing to get. But do not go anywhere because I'm about to show you how to make this a whole lot easier. So after you're done exploring the app, right, come back out to your home menu. So you see this right here. Watch. Now what I want you to do is I want you to slide on over to your settings. Okay. We're going to go down. And we are going to go to Live TV. Okay. We're going to click on that. You're going to come down here where it says Sync Sources. You're going to click on that. Pluto TV will be right there for you. Click on it. Tells you all Pluto TV channels were loaded, right? So now we're going to back out one time. And you'll see up here where it says Manage Channels, 65 channels. You didn't have that there before, right? Check this out. Keep going back. You want to head back out to your home menu. Okay, now that you're going to go here, you're going to come over here to Live, right? And now scroll down. Check it out. Boom. These are all your Pluto TVs right here. See, and it's going to show you what's on currently. So you can kind of go through the list, see if there's something on that you want to watch. If it's nothing on you want to watch, just go back to the app. See, look at, if you remember correctly, look, Kingpin was on. All these shows were already on. So, and it shows you the bar, shows you how far into the episode it is. So it makes it really handy. You don't really have to go to the app. You can just go to your Live TV, go down there, just kind of scream out. You might have subscription apps that you also use. You can get these. These are the ones that you pay for. But the Pluto TV, look at the first 3 lines is nothing but Pluto TV. You got your sports, your news, and your TV. And it's already synced in there. Easy money, right? So I hope this helps you guys out. It's just another ace in your pocket, right? So if all else fails, you go ahead and you get you that Pluto TV and you enjoy yourselves on watching all the content it offers. Be good. Wash your hands.